Hello, this is Jorge from APS. Join us to this paint protection film installation.
A finish this beautiful deserves more than careful driving. First comes a meticulous wash and surface preparation. Next, we precision cut each section of film using a manufacturer-specific pattern, ensuring an exact fit while eliminating unnecessary cutting on your vehicle. Once the film is positioned, the real craftsmanship begins. We carefully squeegee out the installation solution, remove every air pocket, and work the film into every contour of the body. The edges are wrapped and tucked wherever possible, creating an installation that's as invisible as it is durable. Large panels, like the hood, require patience, precision, and experience to achieve a flawless finish. Every pass of the squeegee pushes moisture from beneath the film while ensuring it conforms perfectly to the vehicle's curves. As the film settles into place, any remaining imperfections are worked out by hand, creating a smooth, nearly invisible finish. Expel Ultimate Fusion doesn't just protect against rock chips, road debris, and everyday wear. Its ceramic-infused top layer adds exceptional gloss, repels water and contaminants, and makes routine maintenance noticeably easier. Once the installation is complete, the excess material is carefully trimmed with precision, leaving clean edges that blend seamlessly with the factory body lines. After a final inspection, what's left is protection that you can barely see, but one you'll appreciate every time the road throws rock, debris, or everyday wear at your investment. This Ferrari leaves protected with Expel Ultimate Fusion. Installed by Automotive Protection Solutions,